Hey you guys, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, let's take a look at the color red. Now red is the color of passion, power, and energy. And when you bring it into your home decor, you instantly set the tone for a bold and unforgettable space. Red is not a color that whispers, but rather it speaks loudly. Very loudly. In home decor, red can make a room feel warm, vibrant, and even luxurious in some cases. Depending on how you use it, it can spark feelings of excitement in a dining room, create coziness in a living space, or bring a sense of romance to a bedroom, all depending on what shade that you use. But here's the secret: balance is everything. Too much red can feel just a little bit overwhelming, but when paired with neutrals like white, gray, or beige, it becomes striking without being overpowering. A red accent wall, a velvet sofa, or even small details like throw pillows and artwork can transform a room from ordinary to extraordinary. Red also has cultural significance, as seen as lucky and prosperous in many traditions, making it a powerful color choice just beyond the aesthetics. It's bold, it's confident, and it leaves a lasting impression on anyone who walks through the door. So are you ready to turn up the heat in your home with red decor? If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and check the description for some red hot home finds that I've handpicked just for you. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll talk to you soon.